I am very concerned about this new act. Let me just give you a different perspective than the one other people might give you. I mean, this is the second or third time we've done this. Spent millions of dollars trying to change the legislation with no money at all going into the communities. And so I hope that the communities will take the act and the professionals will take the act and do something with it. Nothing in the act isn't new that doesn't allow things that are already been going on. At least it gives an official expression that says, okay, it's okay to do these kinds of things. But it's the point I was trying to make earlier about the Justice Committee and its megalomaniacal nature sort of reaching out and bringing the community into it. When you're doing a restorative justice initiatives, try to make sure that you bring the justice system into your communities. That you're not just allowing the justice system to get bigger by taking on this idea of restorative justice and calling it their own. I am sick that we have not created the resources to be able to allow communities to come as equal partners into this new process to deal with young offenders and are spending tons of money training professionals to be able to do it on behalf of communities. So, Doug is absolutely right that the Act does open doors. But make sure you go into those rooms and pull the justice people out of those doors into your community and don't just get stuck into their doors. I mean, I've had this debate years ago, and I don't have this debate anymore about family group conferencing. I was one of the first people that brought Mac Hakiaka over here from New Zealand. I really believe in them. But the difficulty is, it's a justice idea that's being sold to communities. It's a good idea for some things, and I believe that in an ideal community, you'd have a full range of options. There isn't, I don't want to see the criminal justice system replaced just by circles or just by family group conferencing or just by anything else. You need to develop your own pace. You really, you know, if Shakespeare said it right, ugly thing though it is, 'tis mine. The community needs to design it. If it doesn't work, they'll fix it. If Doug or I or anybody else come in and say, here's this wonderful new idea, go and try it. If it doesn't work, you throw it out. And you go back to relying on us. So I hope communities will form youth justice committees strong enough to make sure that your values and your interests get to be expressed in the reality of what you're going to do.